Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the American Express Gold Card. So I ordered and received my American Express Gold Card in the mail right here. I'm going to unbox that, and before I do, I just want to go into why I decided to get this card. So I've had, I guess, a love-hate relationship with Amex. In the beginning, I used to be like, I'm not going to get Amex. There's things that scare me about them. A lot of Amex's cards, especially the charge card, like this American Express Gold Card, not only is there not a downgrade path like there is with a lot of Chase's cards, but they all have annual fees, and if you don't happen to hit a certain amount of pretty much of the benefits each year, then you actually end up losing money from getting the card. So that was always my fear, because I would get Chase cards and I would go, you know what, I have, something like the Chase Freedom Unlimited, the Chase Freedom Flex right now, and cards like that, and I would go, okay, you have these cards. If you decide that, you know what, I'm only going to use one card the entire year and just try to use that card, then you can end up not having to worry about the other cards that don't have annual fees. But then the ones that do have annual fees, you can just downgrade them. As compared to with the charge cards from American Express, you get some of these charge cards, you're looking at $250 annual fee, $550 annual fee, $150 annual fee, and you're like, wait a minute, am I actually going to be able to hit the amount of benefits from getting those annual fees? And that's always been something that's kind of concerned me. But I've thought about it, and I decided that, you know what, I think that actually I can hit the benefits from using these cards. And I'm going to go into the different reasons why I think that's going to happen. But first, let me show you the unboxing of this right now. Alrighty, so here is the unboxing of the gold card. This is the package that it came in. It honestly, it took 2 days, but technically I think it was because of the time that I ordered it. It was past 3 o'clock, so because of that, it's probably why it ended up taking 2 days instead of 1 day. But as you can see, it was express shipping. This is the exact same type of package that the Platinum card came in. It's really nice to actually when they have that. I know that I believe Discover Card does it as well this way, where they send it in and it's really fast. So that's awesome, because that allows you to use the card, pretty quickly. You don't have to wait around. Like a lot of the Chase cards take like a week to come in, but this one I ordered it 2 days ago, and bam, now here it is. So express shipping, and this is the package it comes in. So it comes in just what looks like just regular standard kind of mail right here. So it isn't as pretty as if you remember what the Platinum card looks like. The Platinum card comes in like this nicer kind of fancier box. I think that before the Amex Gold card came in a nicer box, but currently this is just kind of what it comes in after you open it up. The express mail from UPS, at least that's exactly how it came for me. So obviously I cover up my information on here, but then you just open this up, and voila, that's exactly how it's going to look. So here's the card. As you can see, it's really, really pretty. I decided to go with the gold. There is the option for the rose gold right now, but I didn't go with that because, I don't know, honestly, I think the gold looks pretty classic. It looks awesome. Having the gold and the platinum together, I think the two combinations actually, if you are going to be someone who's going to go off that status look, I think that the gold and the platinum look nicer to me than the rose gold and the platinum. Or if you just have the gold by itself compared to the rose gold, I don't know, maybe some people, they want the other one because it's a limited edition. I don't really care that much about limited edition. As I've said before in other videos, to be honest, I really only care about what the card actually does. If this thing was just a piece of paper, I really wouldn't care that much about it. So just a few things that come inside of it. So as you see, it's going to have this, and then just tell you your earnings. As you see here, it's going to have the different things for your travel information. So it's going to be pretty much a lot of the same stuff that you would get in any one of these, with the credit cards. To show you your different APR, and you got to remember this is a charge card, so it's made to be paid off every month. I mean, which should be typically happening anyways. We don't want to be irresponsible, but yeah, so that's the information it's going to give you just about using the card. But here is the card. Yep, I'm going to pop it up here. Actually, I haven't taken off the sticker yet, so there's that. Contactless, and yeah, here's more information, so I'll drop that down there. But as you can see, the card is really, really nice. All the Amex all the Amex metal cards, they feel really, really good in the hand. I've had other ones before, like the Capital One ones, and I had the Saver card, and the Saver card, like the material is just coming off, whereas compared to something like this, it feels nice. It doesn't feel like it's going to break off. It feels like they actually made the card with the engraving inside, so it's actually more of like a real metal card compared to some of the fake metal cards. The Venture card, I'm going to show you as a comparison. This is very similar to like the Capital One card. or sorry, the Capital One card, like the Saver card. It is Capital One, but it's gonna be very similar in the sense of just kind of how it's made. And I think after use and after taking it out of the wallet, it's gonna start peeling over here at time. With this Venture card, honestly, I didn't use very much. I got the sign up bonus for it, and then I started to try to get ready to use it for travel, and then the whole world shut down. So I didn't really get to use this card in the way I wanted to. And I kind of started getting other cards that took the place. So the Venture card actually didn't have that much use on it, but I honestly think that the Amex Gold card is just a nicer looking card. I don't know if I'm wrong about this, but the Gold card actually feels a little bit lighter than the Venture. But here's a drop from the Venture card, and then here's a drop from the Gold card. Just don't want to flip over and show my number, but that's how this one is. And yeah, this one actually does sound a little louder, but yeah, I mean, this card definitely looks good, feels good. I'm going to show you compared to the Platinum card. I'm trying to see if I can feel the difference between these two cards. They feel very similar between the two cards. I don't know. I don't think if there isn't. Oh, you know what? No, I think the Platinum's actually a little bit thicker. I think the Platinum's a little bit thicker on the card. I can kind of feel it as I press onto it. Yeah, this is going to be the unboxing. This is what the Gold card is going to look like. This is how it comes in the package. But as you can see, it is a very, very pretty card. I'll give you just a nice close look of it right there. So that's the unboxing of the Gold card. You got to see the Gold card. It is a really pretty card. Although I say I don't really care as much about, being that type of status look or trying to flex or whatever it is. I got to tell you, it's one of the nicer looking cards that I've seen. It feels good. It looks good. And it actually gives you pretty good benefits. If you are interested in the American Express Gold card or any of American Express's cards, check out my referral links down below. If you use them, I will get a referral bonus. It will help me out, and I'll be very thankful for your support. Now, I'm going to do an entire video on the breakdown of the Gold card, but I just want to continue on talking about, what actually makes you end up maybe going to getting an Amex card. So as I said before, that I had a kind of love-hate relationship with them because I was thinking that a lot of people end up getting the Amex cards, but end up not hitting the benefits to be able to keep the card. So they get the card, you have something like $250 annual fee like this one does, and people are swiping it and they're not exactly getting amount of $250 in benefits. And it's not even exactly just hitting $250 in benefits, because if you have the same card, or if you had a card like the Freedom Flex, you wouldn't have to hit anything to hit the $0 annual fee. All you have to do is every single time you swipe it, you're actually going to gain benefits. So you have to wonder, if I have the Gold card compared to the Freedom Flex, I'm actually going to get more value from having the Gold card than the Freedom Flex. And that is kind of the thing that made me, in the beginning go, nah, I don't know about it with the Amex cards. I think that Chase, while it doesn't have as many cool transfer partners, I'm pretty much on my game with credit cards, but I want to make sure that I'm actually getting the value back from all the cards that I get. And seeing what I'm going to be able to get with these Amex cards, seeing the sign-up bonuses that have been going out. If you look back a few years ago, this card had like a 25,000 point sign-up bonus. Then I think it was 30, 35, 45. Now it's at 60, the public, and you might even be able to find the secret one that I don't know when you're watching this video, but some people even gotten like the 75,000 point bonus. So there's been a lot of crazy bonuses out there. The Amex Platinum had the 100K 10X bonuses that was out there. I think that one's gone now as well. But there's been a lot of great bonuses that have been hitting out there for American Express, and it's made a lot of people want to go out there and get their cards. And I'm one of those people, because if you're going to end up getting Amex card, you can only ever get one sign-up bonus in your lifetime with that card. So that means that if you're eventually going to end up getting an Amex card, you might as well get it when the highest sign-up bonus is there. So that's the reason why I decided to get a few of my other Amex cards and to get this one. But I also looked into the credits, and how it used to be previously was you had the $100 airline free credit, and then you also had the $120 dining credit. So I saw that and I was like, man, those airline free credits, while it's out there, it can be harder to use than they put it out there. It's not like the Chase Sapphire Reserve one where you get the $300 credit towards travel, and it's pretty easy to use. These ones can be a little bit harder and a little bit trickier, so you have to wonder, how much do you actually buy things when you're actually at the airport or on an airplane to actually end up getting the value back. But now it is the Uber and dining credit, so when you add both those credits together, the annual fees only ends up actually being $10. So all I have to do is just hit over $10, and then going forward from that, the question is can I beat out what I would end up getting from my Chase Freedom Flex? And I think the answer is yes, because if you add in dining, getting 1x point back, and when you add in grocery stores, getting 4x back, I know that I'm actually going to end up being able to get better value from this card. And because of that, I decided I had to get this card. It's going to be, I'm becoming an Amex person where I have the Platinum card, I have the Gold card, and I just see that there are benefits from having both of these cards, the duos together. And I think that it's something that you should look into to see how you actually end up spending. And if you see that you actually end up spending in a way that can make the most sense for getting maybe getting something like the gold card, the time to get these cards is when the bonuses are going to be high. And I think that as long as they keep these certain credits around, I don't see myself getting rid of the Amex Gold card. It just seems to be a card that is going to give me a lot of benefit for very little. I just have to make sure that I'm on my game every single month with the dining and Uber credits. So if I do that, which I will be out here in Los Angeles, where it's a city, there's restaurants everywhere. I know I'm going to be able to use it, so I know that I'm going to be able to get those benefits. And because of that, that's the reason why I got the gold card. But I'm going to do it in complete breakdown of the card and showing all the different benefits from it, showing how it can end up working out in your family of cards. And I'll put that video up on the channel. But that was the unboxing of the Amex Gold card. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and have a beautiful rest of your day. Peace.